Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the Amazfit BIP Max, and on this video I'm going to show you the results of our pedometer test. We have at least 500 steps test. We have at least 2, so 500 for the first test, then another 500 for the second test. So we'll show you the results of our indoor walking. Check if it's accurate or not, and we'll synchronize it with our BIP Support App. So if you are interested to see the results of its pedometer or the step counter, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the indoor walking test or the pedometer test. We have at least 500. Okay, so this is our indoor walking. Okay, we have here the indoor walking, and here is the result of our activity. So we have here the workout history. As you can see, we have at least 2. Okay, so this is our first one, around 4:36 p.m. So we have at least 39 kilometers here, and the time is 4 minutes and 53. Okay, so here's the results. Okay, we have 0.39 kilometer. We have here the average speed. We have the duration, the average heart rate, and out of 500, we have 496 steps. Okay, so it is less by 4 steps. So this is pretty good results. We have calories burned, 18. We have here our heart rate zone. So the average heart rate is 94. The highest is 102, and the lowest is 73. We have here our average speed, and that's it. Okay, so you can check the results here on the support app. For the second test, we have here the duration, the average heart rate, and as you can see, the steps, it is less by 9 steps. The calories, the heart rate zone, we have here the heart rate. We also have here the highest and the lowest heart rate. The average is 103. Again, out of 500 steps, we have 491. At the end of the video, I'm going to put it on the table side by side. Okay, the first activity and the second activity. We do have here the average speed. Okay, we can check it here for the full details. We have it here on the support app. We have the BIP application. Let's see if it's already synchronized on the support app. The BIP app. Let's see. Okay, we have here the activities. Okay, I tried to add a note, a recorded note. Let's see if it's here. Okay, we do have the date here. We have the graph for the average speed. Okay, so here's the summary of our activity. Workout time, the calories, the steps, the training load, the average heart rate, and the speed. So here's a graph of our heart rate. So we do have a light activity. We didn't even reach here the intensive. Next time I'm going to try to have an intensive workout so we can reach this VO2 max. We have here the cadence. It's not available here on the smartwatch, but if you're going to synchronize it with the app, we have here the results for the cadence, the stride, the training effect, okay, workout balance, and that's it. We have here the workout notes. Okay, so it has been transcribed. We recorded it using our voice, and we have here easy and short activity. Okay, so the notes here, easy and short activity. The smartwatch is able to transcribe our voice, and it is right. It is exactly the text or the recorded sound or message that we have. Easy and short activity. Okay, we can save this. Yes, update summary. So very good so far for our Amazfit BIP Max. Then we have here our second test. Okay, we have, for this one we did not use the record, okay, or the notes. So less than, where's our step? Okay, so this is the first one. The second one is around 491. So this is the second one. So it is not that far on our first activity. Let's see. For the calories, 23. The first one, the second one is 18. Okay, average heart rate is not that far. Okay, so that's it for the results of our activity, the step counter or the pedometer test. Out of 500, for the first one we have 496 and the second one is 491. So what do you think of the results here? I think it is good. It's accurate so far. It's not that far from the results of Huawei Band 11, Realme Watch 5, or the Galaxy Fit 3. Okay, it is somewhat similar. Okay, pretty close to the results. Again, if you have any requests or questions about the Amazfit BIP Max, drop your comment below. And watch our second video for this one. We are going to synchronize the data from the smartwatch, from the Zepp app to the application, to the popular application Strava. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo or the pedometer test, the results, drop a comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.